Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Betwinner app on iPhone. This is really easy. All you have to do is to head directly on your app store. Next, on your app store, you're going to click on your profile icon at the top right. Next, you're going to click on your iCloud icon. Then you're going to scroll and click on country or region. Then you're going to click on change country or region. Next, you're going to scroll until the country that you can find out, which is Cameroon. So you're just going to click on Cameroon. Then you're going to click on accept at the top right. And next you're going to find out this section where you have to fill all the information exactly as I do. So what you're going to do is at the payment method, you're going to click on none. Then you're going to scroll until you can find out this first section where you're going to enter market pay. Then you're going to scroll down, and on the third entry, you're just going to enter Douala. Next, at the fourth entry, you are going to scroll down here and select the littoral option and click on OK. Next, on the phone number, you are going to enter 123456789. Then you are going to click on next at the top right. Now, before you verify that our Betwinner app is available, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional Betwinner account. To do this, you click on register. Next, you are going to click on full. Then you are going to enter all the required information. Then at the promo code section, you are going to enter the promo code CAMTV. By using this promo code, you will get 200% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50, you will get $150. Next, you're going to click on the search bar. Next, you're going to click on search icon, and here you're going to enter the Betwinner to verify if this is available. Now you're going to find out that Betwinner will be available and ready for you to download, and it is as easy as that.